Sorry, been away. Just have another video to drop. Probably do that tonight. Does this look familiar? Yeah. This is the truck we've been talking about. 04 Explorer, picked it up, hoping that we get to a spot where it'd be entertaining, we could attract more people, and end up giving it away to somebody that subscribes. He's paying for those scratches. But I changed the plans. As entertaining as this can be, honestly, I think at the end, nobody's really gonna want it as much as, well, I mean, I like it, but it was cheap. And it's fun, but it was also because it was cheap and it was newer, and you don't ever see these things hopping around out in trails. Brad has his Jeep. We're gonna take that Jeep and make his better. A little more solid, another bumper, which you'll see in the video. A lot.
Yeah, a bumper.
Shut up, I'm sorry. You'll see that, watch the next video. Or, well, yeah. Previous video, that one. Yeah. So, 04 Explorer, independent front and rear suspension. It didn't make sense. It doesn't make sense, it's not feasible. And it was just a bad starting point, great drivetrain. So we'll end up, I think we're just gonna end up parting ways. I'll do some cleanup on it, or just cover it more mud. Try to sell it. We'll just go plant it out there. We found a better option. And what I want to introduce you to is our better option. I'm gonna call him Eddie. It just makes sense. It's a little bit different. It's this dumpster. And we're really gonna go places. No, actually, we found this. We found a 94 Eddie Bauer Explorer with a small block Ford in it. We're gonna pull the carburetor off of it, fuel injected again. Dana 44s in the front, 513 gears front and rear. What do they say? It's 11-inch procomp lift. We'll do a quick walk around. It's still a piece of shit, but it's a fun piece of shit. What?
8-inch body.
That's true. 8-inch. 8-inch and 3. Yep. Math. But that's it. That's all you get. If you guys know anybody looking for a set of wheels, have we even found a brand yet? They're 20 by 12s, 5-on-5. I'm looking for a set of 15 by 12 beadlocks. They don't have to be pretty. I'd like something with a tire. These are still usable for somebody, especially in the parking lot, because I know how everybody likes to do. They just want to be in the parking lots. But it might not look the best now, but it's a much better starting point. And I figure I don't know, it'll drive people to want to view what we do. And especially since the tracks, they are opening, but I think I'm kind of on this kick right now. We're gonna modify a bunch of stuff, try to make it a long travel. I'd like to be able to crawl with this thing. And I would like to, at the end of it, like I said, once we hit, 1,000 plus subscribers, once you guys share and actually get it to us, I want to give it away. It's better than advertising. We figure that we'll just bribe you into liking us. I have friends like that, and it's fine. I do what I can. But it's not so bad. It's really not. Modify the front a little bit more. I guess we'll check springs. Need to make sure. I don't know how this is going to work while trying to crawl, but the whole point of this is to actually get up and down in one piece without rolling over. It has a snorkel. It's not hooked up. The lights, they're going to be redone. There's a motor. Did I latch this? Oh, that was hard. Yoy! Oh, no. It's shit. But it's better shit than that shit. Stay tuned. Stare into my eyes. Stare into JD's eyes. Oh, shit. Hater blockers. JD, just let it go. If you see me put my hand down. But yeah, JD almost killed me. Love it. Hate it. I don't really care. I don't care if you're into racing. I don't care if you're into off-road. Just support. I mean, what do you have to lose? Literally, you've wasted time watching worse, okay? I know. Because I've been there. I am there now. But I still do it. And you have a chance to get something cool. And by the time it's done, it's going to be really cool. Thanks. Say bye.